Down the hatch. Down the hatch. All right, y'all, so I'm dibbling dabbling and doing some vlogs. So this is, I guess, is the first official vlog after the live. So I think for today I definitely want to clean this room, so I gotta clean all this stuff up. The room doesn't look like too bad, you know what I'm saying? If I could just zoom down, I've got like, and let me explain this, okay? So this is where I film, and a lot of the stuff you see, it's not like a big mess. It's not a big deal. Like, you know what I'm saying? I pick this up, boom, put that back over there, bam, that's done. So I just need to put everything back in its place for that. I am going to Ulta today to deal with these dark circles. I need to pick up some more concealer. I'm using this one by MAC. As you guys know, I switched from FENTY. So I went back to my tried and true MAC, but unfortunately, this shade is totally wrong. I see it in pictures. I see it like on live. This is totally not my shade. It oxidizes. So I'm definitely going to pick up a lighter shade with this. Your girl is dealing with dark circles. I do not like them. Doesn't mean I don't like myself. Doesn't mean I don't love myself. I hate my dark circles. Period. I am going to be switching between my camera and my phone. So right now I'm kind of using it as a mirror. Isn't that cool, y'all? Look. Look. So if you ever get into like doing YouTube, this is what it looks like when you are filming and you're using your phone as kind of like a mirror. So yeah. You're still cute though. Even with them dark circles, girl. Ow. Y'all, I really feel like I need to invest in some freaking leggings, some athletic wear. So this is what you're gonna have to understand about me. You're gonna see me like in the same sports bra and the same raggedy leggings day in, day out. Yes, I wash them, okay? But the fact remains, leggings are hard to come by. So what I'm doing right now, my friend's on her way out here. We're gonna go work out. So I'm gonna do my no makeup look, and then we're gonna be out. So here we go.
Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no.
Why do you like making fun of me for no reason? Why does it smell like butt chips over here?
Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out.
Color foundation, that's interesting. But what I need is, oh, I could do the chocolate one. So, I know you're not supposed to like go heavy on these like, you know, artificial sweeteners and stuff, but listen, I love coming here and getting these for my smoothies in the morning. So time to stock up. I don't really do like the green apple or the grapes. I tend to stick with like The pineapple is really good. And this dollar store actually has this one right here, which I'm hella excited to try. Oh my gosh, instead of adding sugar or honey to any of my smoothies, I just add one packet of this, like one packet inside the box to 32 ounces of water, and then I make my smoothies with like my fruit and my protein. So I'm stocked up, girl. Listen, I know it's like taboo to use like artificial sweeteners or even these flavor packets right here, but listen, I love using these. Loud down here, Mom. I'm scared of chicken. Too loud. And you're black. Why are you scared of chicken? I apologize.
I'm so done, bro. I'm so done.
That's my
Grandpa?
That's my brother.
How old do I sound? You
Punch me and I'll punch you back.
Ah, Mom, abuse.
If you punch me, I'ma punch you back.
leave it though. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey!
Hush.
That burrito. Eat that burrito, bro.
24 hours later.
Okay, y'all, I'm trying to wind down on this Sunday, and I am realizing I am the problem. You know, you have those moments when you have kids and there's movies, shows that you want to watch that you can't watch in front of them, so you wait till they go to bed. And I'm realizing that's not the issue. My issue is my attention span is so freaking short. Like, I can't just sit and watch a movie anymore. I have to check my phone. I have to check my laptop. I have to get up and do things. Like, I can't, if I'm not in a movie theater, watching it on TV just won't happen. I've been trying to watch this movie for the last 2 hours. It's midnight, so there's that. I'm going to bed, so yeah. There's that. Good night.